The Chinese company Catl, the world's largest manufacturer of batteries for electric cars, will start producing batteries of a new generation in 2023. With them, the range of electric cars between charges will exceed 620 miles, according to Business Insider.
The innovative battery was named Qilin.
It has an extremely high energy density of 255 Wh per kilogram of mass. Catl claims its technology will be 13% more powerful than the latest iteration of batteries currently used by Tesla.
Qilin received liquid cooling circuits between individual cells.
This allows the battery to withstand ultra-fast charging without overheating. According to the manufacturer, the battery is charged from 10% to 80% in 10 minutes. This is at least 2 to 3 times faster than the rate of existing serial analogues. Chinese electric vehicle manufacturers Hozon and Li Auto have already announced their intention to purchase Qilin batteries.
Currently, Lucid Air is considered the most autonomous serial electric car in the world.
The $169,000 car can travel up to 520 miles on a single charge.